Okay, so at my school, we have a partnership with Junior Achievement. And Junior Achievement is an international nonprofit that teaches kids about business. One of the things that we utilize in my consumer education program is their JA Finance Park virtual program. This program also comes with a booklet for each student, a workbook, and then it also comes with the teacher's guide. This curriculum is free, and I'm not for sure if that's um, how you access this program um, from different places around the world. But I'm sure if you go into Google and click Junior Achievement in your state, there is an office that you can contact their representative to receive this information. So I'm going to show you how you can go on to register for public use, and then you can try it out. If you like the program, then you can contact one of the Junior Achievement area offices. So once you go to this website right here, jafinancepark4.ja.org, public user/register, you'll come to this page. And then when you click this right here, it will be able to provide you with Junior Achievement area offices. So I'm going to go ahead and click that. And you will be able to put your city in, and it will give you an office so that you can contact someone for the information. So I'll click here, and this is the office in Tulsa, Oklahoma, their website, and then their phone number. So I'm just going to create a new account, and so I would advise you just to check it out. Again, with this program, we have a partnership with Junior Achievement here in Kansas City. Our curriculum is free. Every student gets a booklet along with this virtual platform. We get support, online support from our local office with any concerns, plays on any platform, no cost. And then they also give teachers curriculum. It's a very large book, talks about debt versus debit versus credit, talks about insurance, talks about life policies, talks about taxes, talks about saving for college. So all those things that we talk about in our consumer education classes that we're talking about, at least at our school district level, Junior Achievement provides additional curriculum to support those things that we talk about. So again, this platform is used for students, fosters independent learning, Designer 5A. Also, students are able to collect data, problem solve. So there's a lot of things here. They're able to reflect on their learning, 7B, educator, learner, 1C, current research to improve student outcomes. So almost all the things that we talked about previously in the other videos that I showed you, all of them, those standards align with this platform. The only thing is that this platform is for students. So parents usually don't utilize this program, but if students wanted to show their parents, totally acceptable. So I'm going to go in, select my age. I'm going to continue. I'm going to put in my name. Again, make sure you remember your password. And this is a list of all the JAs there are. So I put Kansas, password, educator. I'm going to put my name as Denise Dinkins. Doesn't require address, so I'm not going to worry about it. Doesn't require a state or anything like that. And then I'm going to put my school email address here. I'm going to register. All right. So I'm going to save my password because I have a problem remembering those things. All right. So the account that you get, you'll be able to go in and change any of that demographical information here. If you want to change your password, you can do that. If you want to change this information right here, you'll just click edit. Play game. Waiting for it to load. Waiting for it to load. So again, this is consumer education. Students will be able to use this platform to support the content that they're learning. In the classroom, I'm going to mute this. So with that, the avatar was just sharing information about the program. basically reading this information here. Right here, you're able to create an avatar. Up here, you can't see it, it's outside the screen, but you're able to create an avatar up here. This is my name, my score, also tells me what sessions I'm in. So I'll place continue. Once you start, you'll be able to pick kind of where you want to live at, what kind of features you want in your home, what kind of living room you want. You want a fancy car, old car, what kind of cell phone you want, what kind of computer or internet access you want, what kind of vacations do you want to take or activities, where do you want to eat, and then it will be able to, all the things that I just selected, it's giving me a total bill here. This is my income, and this is how much I've just selected in purchases. Now it gives more information about when you graduate, how much money you really have, how much you're spending. Then it talks about budgeting. So Casey right here, she is the avatar that guides students through this experience. So they don't need a teacher to help them with this. Casey will be able to help them. So you go to continue. She's just talking. When I'm going to enter the park, this is the park here. So you see all these businesses, different businesses. And I think each location, people have paid to have their logos on these locations. So if the student gets confused, they want to get instructions, they just click here. They want to mute, click here. Life situation, this is the life situation that I've been given. So I'm a yard foreman, my age, married, children, a little bit more information about who I am here. Every student gets a life situation. Financial information, so here's my portfolio, how much I make, the taxes that are taken out of my check. So click here. Oh, shoot. And create my avatar. So I get to create what gender I want to be, what color I want my background, how I want my hair, my eyes, if I want to change my skin color, shirt style, all those things. So now I'm going to save. And Casey is still here guiding me through. Here's my financial portfolio. So this is an activity that I need to do. So I'll be able to submit this information. So it says round each to the nearest $1 up to 50 cents above, and then down for 49 cents below. So again, it's giving you instructions, more detailed instructions here. If students need a calculator, there's a calculator. If they need to zoom in and out, that's there. So I'm going to go ahead and work on this. So I'm going to put 26,852. Then I'm going to take my calculator, I'm going to divide by 12 exactly what the instructions are telling me to do. So this is how much I would get paid a month. My federal is 154. My social is 92. My Medicare is 61. Now it says add all three line items 3 through 5 together. So I'm going to go over here, 154 plus 92 plus 61 equals 307. And then I'm going to subtract 6 from line 2. So I'm going to go 3,071 minus 307 equals 2,764. And I'm going to submit that. Congratulations. As you see, I earned points. My score is here. So you get points for accuracy and your speed. So there'll be 4 different sessions that I'll go through, all related to consumer education. Again, I'm going to go continue. Go to exit out my calculator. I'm going to close this activity right here. And then Casey is going to continue to give me different things to do. So again, here's my avatar over here. You can't see it. It's kind of off the screen here. My name, the sessions that I have, my score, life situation, financial portfolio calculator. I can zoom in and out. On the back side of this, teachers can go into the platform and they can see what students are doing. They can pull reports to see what sessions they've done. They can close out sessions that students have did or cannot. So if we have 4 sessions and I don't want students to work ahead, I can close out 3 or 4. I can see how they're spending their money. I can see how long it's taking them to do those things. But just through this free registration portion, you can't view those things on here. But that's just more information for teachers or educators that are watching this video to go out and see. I believe these are local businesses that have paid sponsorships through the local JA markets. So that's how they get some of these things paid through sponsorship. So again, here's my avatar right here. Whoever this person is actually has the highest score, and their name is there. And you can see other people avatars throughout the platform. So there's more people over here. These are probably people I would assume that who have registered for the program, and they're kind of using it as a trial. But once you actually set up your account, these avatars will actually be students, other students in your classroom. So pretty cool activity, pretty cool platform. They can take the information that they're learning from the JA curriculum, the book, take it online virtually, and work through these things independently. So I would highly suggest, if you guys are not working with Junior Achievement, and you guys are business teachers or consumer ed teachers, this would be a great asset for you, your department, and your school.